Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Memory Piggy from Roblox Piggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this piggy, and here's my sketch underneath, and I'll be drawing this a little bit cuter than usual than the other piggy characters. So to begin, we're gonna draw in the head shape first, but we're gonna draw a little bit more squash this way. Just make it a little bit shorter. I know this is probably the trickiest part. Okay, so just draw a circle, but just squash it in a little bit more. Okay, and then from this shape here, right in the middle of this, you can make a little point. And then I'm gonna draw a circle coming down. So this is gonna be the snout. And then to finish up, the nostrils right here, just on the side, 2 little dots. Alright, and then we gotta draw in his big eyes. So right in this space right here, which is gonna be quite a big space, just gonna draw one big circle. So same thing here. Okay, and then right on the corner here, closer to the inside, I'm going to draw another circle, and I'll shade around it so that we can actually see the eyes and it won't be so creepy. Okay, so those are the eyes, and then now for the ear. So right from the top of this circle, you can go up, make a little point. And then right in the center of this circle, go out, make another point. So this is going to be the beginning and the end point for the ear. So it's going to be nice and big. Okay, from the center, make a point, center, point. And the tricky part is always trying to draw things symmetrical, because that's very difficult to do. Okay, so just try your best. Whatever shape you have here, just repeat it over here. Alright, so that's the head, and it does look a little bit cuter, right? Because we kind of squashed down the head a little bit. Alright, so now for the body. Just flare out, slight curve all the way to the bottom. Come to the center. Just one big U shape or one big curve. And then whatever space you have here, just add a little bit of a bump. And then round the corners here, just add some folds. Okay, so let's draw in this arm first because this one's gonna be holding the bat. Let's come up here. Let's curve all the way down. And just loop it back up. And then for the thumb, just kind of go into the body. Okay, so on this side, it's slightly different. Go out a little bit more. Just hook it back up. And then now we're gonna draw in the bat. So from this line here, from the corner here, I mean, just draw one line. And then whatever line you have here, just extend it out to this side. And now for the other side of the bat, I'm gonna start right here. Flare out. So nice and wide on the tip, and then just round it out. Okay, and then for the other fingers, very simple right here. Just right behind the bat, just one little curve. And that is it for this memory piggy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.